Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna have to gut this thing up. Take these fishlings out. I'm gonna put the original Epiphone zebras in there. These in there, back in there. Whew. Alright. Looks like this kit came with everything. Saw Fishman Electronics. Damn. This thing comes off here. So I have two guitars to work on. This one and the Kramer. The Kramer's gonna be fun because it's not a lot of work. Take this thing off. Shit, didn't get heat shrinked. Hope everybody's doing good. Battery too, might as well. Plugger. I do like how this kit came with the tape for the battery and then this. That's pretty cool. These parts here. I really don't know how these Fishman works. It looks like they were coil tap also. I didn't know that. So these to the side. Let's see if these are pretty tight. Damn it. My phone. On a second. Alright guys, I'm back. Got a little phone call there. And gut this bitch up. So, take all these electronics out and put her back together. The original stuff. I think the original stuff's like a clamp-on style electronic system. Kind of like these Fishlings, I think. I don't know. We'll see right now. Big job. Hope everybody's doing good. With all the crazy stuff going on. Fucking crazy government, guys. What do you guys think about this stuff that's going on? Food shortages and billions of dollars going to Ukraine. Taxpayer money. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about all that. You guys okay with all that? I know I'm not. We need the money here. Things are getting really bad here. We got homelessness everywhere. Fucking drugs. A lot of drugs. Over where I work. A lot of people are on drugs. young people. I've seen young people on drugs, and it's fucking crazy. But Roe v. Wade being overturned, which I'm pro-life, so for me that's cool. That's good. We gotta let life come to this world, you know. Kill our life, kill life before it comes to Earth. It's not good. This thing is a big pile of wires, man. With all the spaghetti. I don't think this guitar's insulated in here, the cavity. It'd be nice to buy some spray and just insulate it, and that would be the best way to go. Whew. Oh damn. Alright. What am I doing here? Well, this is all the original stuff. Have the switch, volume pot, tone pot, volume, wiring, three-way switch. So that means I'm gonna have to take this one off, the Fishman. Here's another volume pot, the pickup bag. This is all for the original stuff. I'm just gonna gut this guitar out take all this shit out. And yeah, that's how it goes, guys. I hear today in the news that there's baby food, infant powdered milk shortage. Fuck. And I got a little conspiracy here, but yeah, why does that come out when they're gonna overturn Roe v. Wade? You know what I mean? Isn't that suspicious? It's almost like oh, you're not gonna let us kill babies, so we're not gonna let you have baby milk to feed your babies that you didn't abort. It's fuck, dude. Fucking insane. This world is run by Satanists. You know? Think about it. The stuff they're doing, the inversion, all this inverted shit. This is gonna go back on here. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about our government making a ministry of truth? You guys hear about that? Ministry of Truth. So they call it Disinformation Board or some shit, but it's pretty much like a 1984 Ministry of Truth. They're gonna control the internet. What is said? Oh shit! Oh, there goes that string. Did I fucking tighten that and blew it up or what? I thought I was loosening it. I wanted to loosen it. Oh yeah, it's got these hip shot things. Probably gonna fuck. Let's see here. I mean, you can loosen these. I don't know why they all came out like that. There we go. We got a Ministry of Truth. We got a climate. What was it? Some climate bullshit now. Climate justice or some shit like that. Man, these people are fucking wackos, dude. It's like, oh yeah, there was so much injustice because of the climate, you know. They're just fronts. They're just new institutions to control us more, pretty much. Okay. So what I really think is that I don't know if I could say it here or not. I think the people can only take it so much before you know, the shit has to hit the fan. I don't know if I can say much beyond that, but how much are we gonna take, you know? How much are we gonna take of this bullshit? Our money being sent for a war in Ukraine. Just, it almost seems like every three weeks, every month, this asshole cognitive decline wants to send billions and billions and billions more to fund a fucking war that, oh, this is crazy. Look, it has a QR code in there, a sticker with the QR code. Huh. Oh. How would you want to put that in there? Like, scan it. Should I scan it? Nah, I'm not gonna scan it. I fucking hate QR codes, to be honest. I feel like they're I know it's like a type of barcode, but I feel like it's something they want us to use those more and more to control, or for us to do everything with our phones. Like remember when COVID hit and the restaurants got rid of their menus and you had a fucking QR code in front of you on your table? So you can scan it and the menu will pop up on your phone, which I don't know, I think it's just fucking stupid, but that's me. You call me old fashioned, you know. So these are pretty cool fish ones, huh? We have these clips. Almost seems like it has a bad solder here or something. Here. Like it burned a little bit. But yeah, there's some insane stuff going on, guys. It's not pretty. I'm gonna put all this stuff, I should put it in a bag. I'm gonna put it on my bed. All the separate stuff. Put it on my bed and then put it in the bag later. Keep all this stuff together. I don't know if these screws are fisherman screws or what, but we'll keep them with the fisherman pickups. Okay. Oh, this actually came off. Shouldn't have, but this is a nice guitar. I really like the Sunburst. These over here. Total rewire. I have to figure out the pickups, the original pickups. Hopefully one of them says neck and bridge, and you can figure out which is which. Okay, so same deal with these. Disconnect, bam, done. I don't know. Oh yeah, these are Fluence. Neck pickup. Yeah, it has single coil mode select. Bridge, neck. Nice. They're a pretty solid guitar. I wanted to get one of these back then. Cherry Burst or whatever, Sunburst. I think it's Cherry Burst, this one. But what I do want is a acoustic guitar. I haven't had the money to buy one. Got some work issues. Company I work for sold, so I'm gonna be looking for another job soon. That's another thing. Alright, so I'm gonna save all this stuff here, a little frame. Then I'm gonna have to pull all this out. See, white. I can just pull it from the back. White. Yellow and orange. Pull that one out. So yeah, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. How has this administration affected you? Damn. I see a disconnected wire here. Maybe I pulled it from the switch or something. Okay. So, I'm going to bring out soldering machine. And I'm going to have to unsolder these. Are they even soldered? Yeah. I'm gonna solder these so I can pull the cables all the way out. Pull all this spaghetti out. And I'll be right back.